super. Even the birth wish to be like you. I wish I could fly away like I used to. Does this bullshit really have to be a daily fucking thing? Just a bunch of fucking strangers who just heard it screaming for sweet relief. Why they throwing all signs of hope? Can't you hear my guitar scream and cry? I just wanna get away, me and my dream journal. You heard of shimmy shimmy gummies, but have you seen my Gillian Phoenix? It just might get too hot for you. I'm gonna let my spirit fly. Let my Phoenix fly with all the dragons. Killing with kindness, all this claustrophobia. Snatch him like an eagle and watch him fall. Let all the wars eat him alive. Just a bunch of flies that wishes it was like a bird. I don't know where your home is, and I don't know where the fuck your soul is at. I'm just a beautiful fool, and that's for sure. But my wills will never fade away. These souls can be a great, true, and lovely thing. My spills always change, but my mind safe for places probably never change. I just wanna fly away again. I know where my home is through this solar polar express. And I will never let you get disconfigure my soul. Black fast slang, I learned it from you, G. I don't care if you hate it here, but you gotta fly away. This place is not my home. Lost souls, crowds, sergeants gripping their throat all through the night. Some will suffer, kill for kill. Just a bunch of soul eaters. God must have drive all the madman children insane. From gutter to tuition, don't stand me, let them fall to the breeze for me. To sever my sympathy, cause there ain't no way I'm ignorant to what you did. And through it all, why you think I would cry and beg for a kid you don't have? Cause I won't feel bad for the hunting. So shut the fuck up and kiss your dreams goodbye. And just roll around the torture and cry and beg me a fucking river. Stare your reflection, the hardest part, let the nightmare take over. A drink from the horrific pain and struggle of the unimagined. There's no way I'm going back ever again. Most of they all wanna be a cheerful praise for agonizing, unapologetic, training empathy, role playing, good and bad guys. Sometimes I see the route of the size broken wheel and Charles' head. I see what people just do for a piece of love. Down and cry after the mouth. And it's always another problem. I see the findings, and I see what people do for real love. Giants just copy the logics of Reaper. I mean weeping sun. And it's always another problem. And sometimes people that love dying, and it's always a horrific scene. So shut the fuck up and kiss your dreams goodbye, and just roll around the torture and cry and beg me a fuck at your reflection, the hardest part is let the nightmare take over.